Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to add Bluetooth car kit device manually in your Oppo A5s mobile phone. So okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. So okay guys, let's start. You'll have to do is go to setting in your Oppo A5s mobile phone. And okay guys, here in settings, okay, scroll down and find the smart and convenient. Okay, click this. And okay guys, here in smart and convenient, okay, you can see the smart driving. Okay, click smart driving. And okay guys, here in smart driving, okay, you can see the Bluetooth car kit. Okay, you'll have to do is click Bluetooth car kit. And okay guys, here in Bluetooth car kit, okay, you can see the add Bluetooth device manually. And okay guys, you'll have to do to add the Bluetooth car kit device manually to your Oppo A5s is click this add Bluetooth device manually. And okay guys, here, okay, you can see the Bluetooth car kit or the Bluetooth device option. So okay guys, here you can scan for device if the Bluetooth car kit is not listed in this option. So okay, you'll have to do is click the scan for device. And okay guys, okay, to add the Bluetooth car kit in your Oppo A5s mobile phones, okay, you'll have to do is click the add button. So okay, for example, I add this one connection. So okay, okay guys, that's it. The Bluetooth car kit device is added manually to your Oppo A5s mobile phone. So okay guys, that's it. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.